How can I delete a WhatsApp message for everyone?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a feature of WhatsApp that can come in very handy: how to delete a message for everyone. Whether you've sent a message to the wrong person or group, or perhaps you've just thought better of something you've written, this feature allows you to delete your sent messages from the receiver's chat windows.
What you should know before deleting a message.
Firstly, it's important to understand a few things about this function. You can only delete messages for everyone within approximately an hour after sending them. After this, your message is there to stay. Also, you cannot see whether the message has been read by the recipient before you delete it. Finally, recipients may see your message before it's deleted or if deletion was not successful.
How to delete a message for everyone.
Let's dive into the actual steps to delete a WhatsApp message for everyone. 1. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the chat containing the message you wish to delete. 2. Tap and hold on the message. Optionally, you can tap more messages to delete multiple messages at once. 3. Tap delete at the top of the screen greater than delete for everyone.
What happens after deleting a message?
Once you've chosen to delete a message for everyone, that message will be replaced in the chat with a placeholder that says, "This message was deleted." This means that other people in the chat can see that you've deleted a message, but they won't be able to see what it was. And that's it. It's a quick and simple way to take back something you wish you hadn't sent. Remember, use this feature wisely, as it can only be done for a limited time after sending a message. We hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to delete a WhatsApp message for everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.